Look at De La Salle and Makasaet go to that corner. And why not? It was effective, but that last play going off the block, taking another point. Just so happy in this fourth set, up by 4. If they take this one, they really push USD for another game on Wednesday.
Back to the game.
And the plus having the momentum going to that game. USD finishing the elimination round at first place, LaSalle at 4th. That's why LaSalle needs to win 2 games because USD has a twice to beat advantage. Going for the tip, no go. USD Depante. Oh, saved by LaSalle, but USD just taking that point. So 3 points up now, it's LaSalle. Look at that. But the effort coming from the archers, really, Eric. They really want this one. You can really feel that they want it.
Up to a 3-point lead for the Green Archers. Depante able to get it off the blockers.
Luby not closing the block.
If LaSalle wins here today, they will force the deciding match on Wednesday against USD, but a service ace from Harvey Ilano right there, and it's just a 1-point deficit for USD. And speaking of USD, let's check in with Job De Leon.
Eric, even with their spirits rejuvenated by that third set, no one here on the Tiger bench is talking about set number 5. Coach Emil insists on taking this game 1 set at a time. Now, he said that we have to do a better job of reading the defense of LaSalle. He said, nababasa na ang mga play natin and we have to adjust accordingly. Next, he said that this game hinges on how well they block the ball. He explained his philosophy here, saying that apart from getting that defensive stop, you get into your opponent's heads, and at this point, you have to do that. That's really the more important part of the game. If you get them intimidated, you break their momentum, and it opens up the game for you. Eric and Mosey?
Thanks, Joe. Indeed, they have to focus on what they're good at, which is the blocking.
Yes. And, in a men's game kasi, that's very important because ang lakas ng mga palo eh. So it's important to at least slow down the ball for the reception, for the defense.
For the Green Archers.
But right now, it seems like the blocking is working in favor of LaSalle. Take a look at that rejection on Ramos, and it's back to a 2-point lead for the Green Archers after we were tied at 8-all. Ukang, back set. Ramos! Picked up on the first ball, returned by LaSalle. Depante. Ruby sets it up. De Loiras. Dump by Ramos, picked up by Casanova. Off speed from the back row by Makasaet. Here comes Depante again. Block.
Oh, De Loiras always there, everywhere for USD.
Point for
USD takes that point. Credit have that point to the libero of USD, Paul John De Loiras. All over the place.
Lee was right there, but the last touch before bouncing out of bounds was his.
That was all experience for Ramos. Oh, Torres.
Check ball.
Sending
Point
that
for
away.
JP Torres.
Asking for a check.
And you see
Yes, they get it.
Torres saying sorry to his teammates.
They get the check.
He wanted na pababa talaga yun, pero hindi niya maiwasan yung blockers.
They'll take any point.
Any point, definitely. Lee.
Through the blockers of USD. No support. No coverage. And Coach Emil furious at that last play. No coverage at all from USD.
And Luby.
Lapsing their defense.
Ukang, number 3 and setting just above Luby. The setter.
Oh!
LaSalle. Ramos powers that one down.
My goodness. Look at this. Hit by Ramos.
11 all. Set number 4. Luby.
Torres
The block, so it's almost baby.
pointing to where the ball dropped.
That's the lead.
Nagkaroon na ng buhay, nabuhayan ng UN Tigers.
Shakey's fast serve. Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza. Luby all the way to the other side. Antonio overshooting
Way
the mark
too
this
long
time.
outside.
And now USD Mosey on top by 2, 13-11.
Let's see if USC now can pull away, make it an easy set so that they can prepare for a 5th set, or will BLSU take this one and close this
Outside
game?
again.
But an error on the attack. That goes wide for De La Vega.
He wanted to catch the corners, pero masyadong wide na. Antonio gets a break. Christensen checks back in. It's a 3-point lead for USD. 14 serving 11. Christensen the tip. Torres.
Baby Torres. Time out, LaSalle Green Orchard.
And USD with a solid lead, 15-11. Timeout on the floor. Let's listen to LaSalle.
Wala problema, pasa lang. Tama hindi nabibigyan ang bola sa gitna. So walang set play, puro open-open na lang. Relax, dumarating ang bola sa'yo. Relax mo lang. Bigyan mo lang ang bola. Wala pa nga ang bola, nangininigas ka na. Relax, di ba? Oh, malayo pa naman yan, oh. Oh, 5 points, okay? Abol mo na, abol mo na. Ikaw naman, pag lagi ng block, habol ka rin. Pinababayaan mo yung sa kasama mo. Wala pa, malayo pa yan.
Very concerned is Coach Akailar that he actually called a timeout before, just a point before the technical timeout. Ganun kataas yung concern niya about USD pulling away here in set number 4. It's a 4-point lead for the defending champions. Ukang to Torres.
Oh, JP Torres on the second ball.
Catching the line, and
Technical
another
timeout.
timeout. This one, the technical timeout, as USD is on top by 5, 16-11.